So we have option to pay annually and monthly also. So now we're seeing the annual pricing, right? So this means like this is one-time yearly payment. So or monthly is per month, but we have 50% off kind of on the annual. So as you can see, the plus is say about 75x2 is 150 per month. But if you go for the yearly, it will be 75 per month, but in 75x12. So like it's going to be a yearly payment or 140 in the monthly, I guess. So it's kind of around 15 in this in the case of the plus,
Correct.
but
Yes.
yeah, but still like annual of course saves more money and one chunk of investment. And I would say that for those who see the power of it while doing the free trial, we'll try to basically, like give some extended free trial maybe or some good benefit. We'll have it link in the description through a link to access the deal. But even with a normal 7-day free trial, people can try, see how it is. Then if they want to go monthly, they can. Again, it's so different type of sellers, so many different types of sellers and each to their own, but you can pay one time per year or monthly. And of course, monthly will be a bit more uh, kind of expensive eventually, but up to the user, I believe.